on Facebook right now. So welcome everyone to Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here on Zoom and Facebook Live every single week to talk about all kinds of new features and everything here on Wi-Fi Wednesdays. And I'm super excited this week specifically because we have some stuff that I just mentioned on Zoom, not on Facebook yet, that I have personally been waiting for a very long time. It took us a long time to do this the right way. And that being said, I'm going to jump right into it. Enough anticipation. As you know, we recently launched the GDPR stuff, that compliance. If you want to look into that, just check out the old, replays of the last couple of weeks. We dived well into that. But we've also been really hard at work at something else. And I teased this in the group a little bit. It is all about sales. And when we looked at our partners and when I interviewed a bunch of our resellers, we really asked, what is the biggest hurdle when bringing on clients? It's usually the amount of steps involved. If you've been with us before, if you've ever gone through our training, for example, I'm just going to pull up over here what the steps used to be. So if you went to our knowledge base and you went to getting started with Wi-Fi, they would actually be 4 steps. It would be you had to create a location, then you had to add a device, and then you'd have to create the campaign, and you'd have to link that campaign back to your location. Right? It worked, but it was a little cumbersome. There were a few too many steps involved. So announcing today, we've added a brand new wizard to help automate the entire process. So I don't want you guys to log into the platform now. I want you to pay attention because I'm going to run through this with a live demo. And as soon as we're off, I encourage you to jump on, go use this, because honestly, it is probably the biggest time saver. And also, all the questions that are involved when setting up your client are all answered with this wizard. Okay, so here's how it works. Essentially, it's the add client wizard. There are 3 steps: adding a location, adding a device, and adding a campaign. So at first, I'll run through a live demo momentarily, but just to show you some screenshots, you add a location either by Facebook lookup, by Google lookup, or by filling in the info manually. So here I got a Facebook lookup. I get all the address info, everything taken from Facebook and validated. Then I move on to add my device. This is the new add device wizard, which makes it super easy to add any device with a WYSIWYG interface. So it's literally click. Even with OpenMesh, we have direct API integration, so no more manual setup. It's all automatic. And then the third step is creating your campaign, which has all already been pre-populated by the data that was used in step 1. And that's it. So let me actually just show you that live right now and show you how this works. So I'm going to dive into the dashboard under my account. And it's right here on the top. You click on locations, right? And you guys have all used this before. This is the add new location button. Now, right now, when you click on that, it goes through the wizard. Okay, so this is the wizard. Let's pull up, let's say Wynn. We'll use the Wynn hotels. So here's Wynn Las Vegas, right? So this pulled up directly from Facebook. If I wanted to use any other, Facebook location, this will pull up the Facebook page. Now, however, I see that this Kibo Sushi has a few locations, and this is not the location I want to serve. I can also do a Google lookup. So if I did that same Kibo, I can see all locations over here. I want the one on Queen Street. That's cool. It'll actually take the information from that location. And this is all integrated with Google and updated using the Google API. And for an example, if you cannot find it on Facebook or Google, you can always fill in the info manually and manually add any location you'd like. So in this case, let's stick with the Wynn for these examples. And I'm going to go search for Wynn. I see Wynn Las Vegas, awesome hotel. I'm going to go create that location. Now I'm asked over here, do I already have a device? So if I have an existing device, I can choose it from my drop-down list. For example, if I've already added this device over here, I can add it and just select it, or I can add a new device. And this is the wizard as well. It's auto mapped to the location. You cannot change this. And now I can choose exactly which device I want to add. Is it a TP-Link? I see obviously all the ones you can add over there. I can add OpenMesh also over here. I mentioned via the CloudTrax API. And as well over here, you can read the instruction manual and find out exactly how this works. So everything has all been mapped up, and the instruction manual is right at your fingertips here. So make sure you go through all that to assign your devices. Here, I'm just going to choose an existing device and assign that. And then I'm going to move on to creating my campaign. You guys have all seen this before, but now it's been pre-populated with the Facebook from step 1. So here I can go through and change any of this stuff. I can, put the weather widget in there because I always want to know, how hot it's going to be by the pool. 94 degrees looks awesome. So this is what you guys can do in a few quick steps. Once I'm done customizing my campaign, and going through all of my elements over here, choosing all my apps, getting everything all set up. I then click on save, and it gives me the confirmation that everything has been set up properly. It actually goes right now in the background and completes all the tasks that you would normally have done manually, all automatically. So once it's done, it creates your campaign, it creates your location, it automatically adds the device and configures everything for you. Once you're done, you can click on the location dashboard, which is the quick report essentially, and you can share this link with your client. All you need to do right now is plug in the device until it goes green, and that's all you ever really have to do. All right, what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about that new wizard and the steps that I just ran through? I don't really know if it can get easier than that. Let me know, because we've been obviously working really hard at making that really easy. We wanted to make it a huge time saver. We wanted to take a lot of the confusion or questions out of the setup process and really streamline the whole setup. So a big shout out to my dev team who did a great job and really crushed it with this, because like this, on the surface, this stuff looks really easy, guys. And I want everyone to realize that it really does look easy, but it's really hard. There's a lot of moving parts here. There's like a full API. There's 20 different microservices running simultaneously. And if any one of those go wrong, this doesn't work. So just understand that, when we build stuff and we go through stuff, it's very hard to do. And honestly, I mean, that's why when you guys look at, you're paying, let's say $300 a month, the value you're getting, I can tell you like an hour of our team time is probably, we spend more than that every hour of development time in money, in salary and in setting up the whole process and the whole server setup and all that stuff. So I want you guys really to realize what kind of insane value you're getting with this. So obviously the wizard is something I'm super happy about, and so excited to see you guys use the wizard as well. If you guys even want to record you guys going through the wizard, sometimes it helps even sharing that with your staff to show them how easy it is to set up your clients, because that's really all that's involved. I'll get to some questions at the end of today's call, but I want to keep going with this, because that's not all. We actually have something else that is super cool. It's also a brand new feature that we just launched. Now, this is available for MSP plan holders, for legacy plan holders who get access to that as well. And essentially, if you're on those plans and you also have your dashboard white labeled, you need to have your SSL, your custom domain set up for your dashboard for this to work, okay? And you'll find in your sales CRM, there's a new tool called a widget. It's a pretty boring name, but it does some pretty exciting stuff. So this widget is essentially a sales page and an embed widget that you can put inside your current website. So this can be embedded inside your contact us form, right inside your website, your WordPress website, your ClickFunnels website. More on that in a second. Huge surprise about our integration with them as well. And you can do this. You don't need a website. You can actually just send somebody directly to this URL. It is your own new personal sales tool. Okay. So what happens essentially is you send it to a client. They enter their Facebook page name. They then go through 3 steps. They're able to see the login page, the success page, and the redirect page. So on the login page, they can see what it looks like. This is automatically generated from Facebook. On the success page, they can see exactly what their Facebook messages pre-populated, their URL also pre-populated, the Facebook box put in. They don't have to touch anything. The only thing they can change is like, the welcome text over here. They can change the confirmation text if they'd like. And then the redirect URL actually takes a screenshot of their current mobile website and populates it in here to show them, hey, this is pretty easy to understand. When guests connect, they see this. After they connect, they see that. Then they're redirected there. So if I'm presenting this to a client, or the client is seeing this in the middle of the night after seeing my Facebook or AdWords ad, and they are going through this themselves, I mean, there's no better way to engage a client and to educate a client on how this all works than to let them see it with their own brand. So once they're done with that, they get asked if they have their own devices, yes or no. Then they're asked to actually fill out a form for the next steps. So if they want to install this in their business, what do they have to do? They have to enter their name, email, and phone number. Once they click on that, they essentially get added right to your CRM. So let me show you how this works. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited too, because this is a tool that you guys are going to use and really, really crush it with sales. So let me just show you how this works. Sales CRM, click on widget. Inside here, you're going to see 3 things on the top. Again, this is available to all MSP plan holders, legacy plan holders, and you have to have your dashboard white labeled for this to work. So 3 links over here. You can copy the link to the clipboard, which literally just copies your unique link. You can go visit that, or you can click on this. It will visit the page for you. So like I mentioned, it can be a standalone. It can be, this is your actual page, or I'll show you the embed in a second. Let me just actually show you how this actually works. So we'll use the win as the example again. So let me go win. And so again, to just really make you understand, this widget is not for you guys to use. This widget is for your clients to use themselves. This is a self-serve lead gen tool that you can embed into your website, into your ClickFunnels page, into your funnel. You can put it on a link. You can SMS this to a client. You can put it in the footer of your emails. Be like, hey, do you want social Wi-Fi for your business? Check out a demo for your business. Okay, and I'm going to show you something even really cool in a second. So you can, for the client will normally get this and it'll be blank. They can type in win. Okay, I'll go through this and I'll show you a little trick in a second. So you basically, they enter their own Facebook page, or they just paste their entire URL and it will automatically parse it and pull it in. They click on proceed. Then here they can customize a couple things. So free Wi-Fi at win. I can type in whatever I want there. I can also change my thank you page text. Well, first here as well, I can change my color over here, change my background, or I can go, black like they have it over here and change it around. As you know, you can change anything you'd like on the dashboard, and we're always working to make this better. Here, the success page, you can edit this URL as well. So if you want to, let's say this is taken from Facebook. So I see that they have their URL there. I can take that out, and they can obviously do this themselves. They as well, you see the redirect, which is their actual website, which is very cool. If they see all this, they can change just very few things. And the reason we limited this is because we don't necessarily want people to mess with it. They just, you can maybe just change the color, show them that it is customizable, but not have them upload a logo or do anything like that. So it's really straightforward. Login, success page, redirect. They can demo this all themselves. I should mention as well, this is all responsive. It's worth showing it to you guys because it's very cool. I can take this and go, all the way down on a mobile phone. Okay. And on a mobile phone right over there, this is what it will look like. So I can actually go through this whole experience on my mobile device, and it will also look great. And then I can customize the elements, choose not to, click on proceed. Do I have a wireless network? Yes or no? This is just a question so that you know what to expect. If you have to, spec hardware, or if they already have hardware, I'll click on yes. Next steps, I'm going to go Steve Win. Email is steve@win.com, and his phone number is whatever his phone number is. Contact us. Thanks for your interest and submission. We will get back to you shortly. Okay, now what actually happens when that form is completed? I'm going to go back to my CRM and reload the page. And here I see that indeed Steve Win has submitted a request to view it. This is his Facebook page. That is his name. That's his email. That's his phone number. Yes, he has a device. I can go in here and also edit the lead, create notes. I can also see a preview to see exactly what he did. So I can go over here and actually go through this whole flow and show them as well. I can even use this as the preview to use it. Shortly, we're going to have a way to convert it. But really, with clients, once you have the lead, you're likely going to start from scratch anyways. So you have their Facebook page. And what you would do is use our new wizard to go to your locations, just use the same Facebook page and create it from there. Okay, so that is the sales widget. Now, a quick cool trick about the widget. There's two of them I want to show you. So first of all, if I just go over here and copy the widget, if I paste it, I hope you guys can see this. It is basically your dashboard domain. So it's admin.yourdomain.com, whatever you set up as your dashboard /demo. And if I go to that URL, it pulls up the widget, or it pulls up the actual page. But if I add another slash after demo, so I go to yourdashboard.com /demo/win. So if I pre-populate the name of the Facebook page and I just go /Facebook page name, I'll share this in a future support article that'll show you how this works. But it's basically your dashboard /demo/page name. So in this case, it's win. If I start with that, it's going to pre-populate the Facebook page and just bring me right to the builder that lets me go through, and in a few clicks, I can submit my information and get contacted by you guys. These are all leads that you'll generate on your pages. Okay, so again, to get access to this, if you want access to this new sales widget, you need access to a legacy or MSP plan. If you don't have access to this already, Quickly, what you do is you log into your dashboard, you click on My Account on the top. Under My Account, you click on the Plan tab, and then you make sure that you're on a legacy, or if you're on an MSP plan, you already have access to this. On a legacy plan, you have access to this. If you don't, you simply have to upgrade and you will get access to all the cool stuff that I share with you. And in fact, that's not it. I really wanted to over deliver in a super big way. So there's even more. Let me know, do you guys use ClickFunnels right now? Or have you ever heard of the ClickFunnels? I mean, we use it on all of our funnels, on all of our corporate pages. We use it to build clients, to get clients into recurring pages, to generate leads, all kinds of stuff. If you use it already, awesome. If you don't use it, we've been authorized to offer a 14-day free trial. But not only that, we've actually created this for you guys to use. So I want you guys to write down this link, and I'm also going to share it with you in the chat box. It's brmo/co. brmo.co/CF Wi-Fi. So brmo.co/CF Wi-Fi. And you'll notice something when you visit that link. I'm going to open it over here. And let me just actually pull up a browser window and show you what this is. So if I pull this up, it is actually a custom template that we've created in ClickFunnels. And in one click, you can add this to your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, then you can actually get a 14-day free trial with this link. Now, just forgive me, it's taking a couple seconds for this to load on their end. Here we go. So you get a 14-day free trial to use this. And what is this? I'm actually going to show you the live page. But with this, you can automatically add this template directly to your ClickFunnels account. Okay, now what does that mean and what does it look like? Check this out. So this is what the page looks like over here. So if you're using ClickFunnels, you'll get a page that looks like this. Learn who your best customers are and keep them coming back. Now, this can replace your current website. You can run Facebook ads to this. You can run Google ads to this. It has a video, so it has the video pre-embedded over here, which is the more about generic version. I recommend that you take this video, you bring it into a video editor, you do your own voiceover, or you make it a little bit custom so that people see it. But essentially, this page talks about the benefits of social Wi-Fi. So no more passwords. Let me turn this off. No more passwords, increased sales, social engagement, all these cool things. But over here, if you click on Show Me a Demo, it actually brings me down to this. Now, what is this, right? This is the lead gen tool that lives inside. So this is why we call it the widget. Inside the builder, inside your widget editor over here, let me just pull that back. Where did it go? I'll just go back to my dashboard and show you guys. So again, all of this is live right now in the platform. So if I go to my sales CRM and I go to my widget, and I go over here on the top right, there's another button over here called Get iframe Code. So I take this, I go copy, and then I paste that directly into my funnel. And it's just basically anywhere you want. I can show you in ClickFunnels. I'll do a separate video on how to customize this, but it goes directly into your, to your account. And then all you have to do is replace that embed code with your unique embed code. And now this will live as a page. And just to show you like how cool this looks, like this is using a call to action that has a dynamic Facebook integrated social Wi-Fi lead gen tool that actually saves leads and pulls them to your CRM. Now, shortly, we're going to be upgrading this. We're going to be optimizing the embed code. We're also going to be having an API or Zapier integrations. Your leads who fill this form out can go to your CRM and you can do actions on them and all kinds of cool stuff. And we can also have it that if anybody fills this out, they'll also get added to your ClickFunnels account as a user that filled out a form, but they're actually filling out our form, okay? So there's a direct integration for that. Again, if you guys want access to this, it's brmo.co/CF Wi-Fi. You're gonna get this demo, this whole actual template. Everything that I just showed you will automatically be created. You literally have to copy and paste your embed code and you can start sharing this with clients right away. After the 14 days, we actually cut a deal with ClickFunnels. I think it's something like, they have a couple plans. I'm on the $297 a month plan with them as well. It's well worth it. They also have a $97 plan, and they also have a $19 or like a $50 plan, or like they have a lower cost plan for use for one funnel. If you only want to use this one funnel, I think they have a cheap plan that's available for the one funnel. but it'll be offered to you after you sign up for the 14-day trial. If you already have a ClickFunnels account, this will just automatically be added to your account. You just log in and everything is tied up. You don't have to click anything else. And yes, if you want to use the HTML in any other CRM like Kartra or any other tool that you're using, just use the widget code, embed as custom code. Let me actually show you on ClickFunnels if you'd like where that is. So right now you can get this template and a free trial of ClickFunnels at brmo.co/cfwifi. Okay, it is awesome. It uses our brand new sales widget, and everything is integrated so that people can fill out a form and you generate leads, and everything's in your CRM. Once they're in there, you can use our new location wizard to create everything in just a few clicks. Then literally all you have to do is plug a device into the wall, and you can charge your clients a healthy monthly fee to start earning recurring revenue. So on that end, if you also want to earn additional recurring revenue by referring anybody else who also wants to use our platform, inside your dashboard, click on affiliates and you get 30% lifetime recurring on anybody who signs up with us. All right, guys. So anybody have any questions about what I just shared with you today? I am so excited to have shared this with you. Again, big shout out to my team, all the hard work that they put into making this happen. And it's live in your dashboards right now. The new location wizard, the new widget. So hope you guys use this, hope you sell with it. And again, you have to be on a legacy plan or higher to use this. So if you're not, the way to get to that is My Account. Click on My Account over there, then click on the Plan tab. Under the Plan tab, make sure that you're on a legacy plan or an MSP plan, and you'll be all set to go. Again, for those who are joining us late, I'm going to breeze through what we just launched over here. So a new ad location wizard. That's 3 steps: adding a location, adding a device, and adding a campaign. We automatically integrate with Facebook, Google, or you can fill in the info manually. Once you enter your Facebook page, for example, it pulls the info back automatically. You then add your device. Everything is also mapped automatically. You enter your campaign that's been pre-filled with your location information. Nothing really else to do unless you want to tweak the look and feel of that. And then we also released a new sales CRM tool. You have to be on a legacy or MSP plan to have this, and you also have to have your dashboard enabled, your custom domain enabled on your dashboard. This is a standalone widget and a tool that you can use. Share it with your clients. They enter their Facebook page name. It automatically shows them the 3 steps: the login step, the success page after clients log in, and the redirect where clients go after they log in, all automatically. And after they complete that, they're asked to enter their name, email, and phone number. Anyone who fills that out automatically gets added to your CRM dashboard. All right, so guys, that is awesome. And again, we also released some new ClickFunnels templates. So you can get this at brmo.co/cfwifi. This is a full demo template that has an embedded video, it has the embedded new sales tool. All you need to do is copy and replace your widget from your dashboard. We'll have a separate instruction video to show how to do that, but it's really copy and paste and save. You can use this with any other system, your WordPress site, any other web page builder that you use. Just use your embed tool and that all works. And again, if you guys want to get recurring commission, go into your dashboards under the affiliates tab. You get 30% recurring by just sharing your link directly. So anybody have any questions specifically? Yeah, we're going to be coming out with some affiliate templates for ClickFunnels as well, and a whole bunch of other templates to get Stripe subscriptions, to get people to sign up for your plans and programs. So I recommend, if you don't have it already, use this link, get it now, because if you use that link, not only will you get this template also included, but you'll get all the additional templates that we ever come out with automatically added. We'll share the link with you, and it's one click adding to your account from there. So if you're using the widget, make sure that you're using a valid Facebook page. Test that before you enter it in, or it won't work. Obviously, it has to be a valid Facebook page. It also has to be a non-alcohol or an unprotected or a public page. Generally, like 98% of Facebook pages work. If there's one that doesn't, there's likely a reason for it. On Facebook's side, I assure you, it is simply an API call that we're making. So that's that. All right, anybody have any questions? All right, thank you guys for that. Appreciate it. No, a question about Facebook and anything, any updates on Facebook? No, it's business as usual with Facebook. They actually opened up the chat apps again, the Messenger bots. They opened up authentication. So if you haven't used Facebook Messenger and the bots, it's killing it right now with Facebook. So you can use Facebook Messenger as a login option, search and support for that, because we have instructions on how to set up your app for Facebook Messenger and allow clients to log in using Facebook Messenger. We're actually the only captive portal or social Wi-Fi platform to do that. And we're really proud of that, because that is a huge, big up. If you guys have any chatbots, or, the chatbots is all the rage these days, this integrates with chatbots. Okay. It's pretty awesome. So anybody who wants to reinstate their legacy account, you can always hop in under the My Account tab, upgrade your plan back to a legacy. If for any reason your account has been shut down for non-payment or any of those reasons, and you just want back in, contact support. We'll make sure that we take care of you. We obviously want you back, and we want you to succeed with Wi-Fi, because we have a lot of people that are doing very well with this. And I want to also make a shout out. I know that we had Kevin and Chris and a bunch of other people that we were chatting with, interested in jumping on a strategy session with me on video, something that we can go live in the group with, that we can just talk about what's working. So if anybody's interested in that, please send me a message either on Facebook or in support, because I want to talk to you about that. All right, any more questions I can get to? Okay, I want to let you guys kind of hop in there and start using the new Sales Wizard and the widget. Please feel free to post in the Facebook group what you think about it. Take some screenshots, share with the group how you like using it, and even show some clients once you set things up. Share some examples, because the whole group is all about sharing, all about engagement and brainstorming. So anything you can do to contribute there always helps. Question is, you need a domain name to white label your portal? Yes, you need a domain name to map this to. All the instructions on how to do that are inside our support site. And I want to stress as well that, for the group is not for support. Any requests over there that are personal in nature, if it's about your account specifically, actually just get deleted by our team. So don't even bother. But the group is specifically for sales. If you have a question about your account, about upgrading, about something that you have issues with what you're setting up, you have a unique question that is specific to you, that's what our support team is for. So go to wifisupportdesk.com or support.mywifi.io, same thing, or click on the support button at the top of your dashboard. And there, use the search bar, because there's a lot of answers in our support knowledge base that will likely answer the question you have. And if you can't find the answer there, then chat with our support team and we'll be happy to help you out. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining us. I know that I started a bit late and I wanted to keep this brief and really action-packed and relevant. So thanks to everyone who joined us. Also, thank you again to our development team for doing such an awesome job on this. I want you guys to also, feel free to thank them in the group, get some engagement in there, because it's always nice to see once we build these tools, we work so hard, and then to see you succeed with them and see the proof of that is really what motivates us. So that helps a lot. And anything you guys can do, anything you need, please feel free to let us know. Any ideas you have about the dashboard, let support know specifically about that. Any feature requests, send to support directly. And obviously we'll take a look at that. It's not a call and request line, but if there's anything that makes sense, we'll definitely add it to our long list of things that we're working on. So on that note, thank you guys for being partners. I look forward to working with you more and look forward to having you guys use these sales tools in your arsenal. And that being said, go out there and crush it with Wi-Fi. Go get some recurring revenue and share your success stories in the Facebook group. Thanks, everyone. Talk soon. Bye-bye.